See the question, find the particular solution of dy by dx plus y cot x equal to 2x plus x square into cot x. Okay, we need to find the particular solution when y is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi by 2. First consider the given differential equation, that is dy by dx plus y into cot x is equal to 2x plus x square into cot x. Okay, this equation is in the form dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q, where p value is equal to cot x and q value is equal to 2x plus x square into cot x. To solve this differential equation, first find integration factor is equal to formula is e to the power p into dx. It's equal to e to the power integration of p value is cot x, right? Cot x into dx. It's equal to e to the power integration of cot x into dx is log sin x. Okay, now see, remember this formula, e to the power log a, its value is equal to a itself, so its value is equal to sin x only. Okay, so we have integration factor is equal to sin x. Now solution for this differential equation is given by y into integration factor is equal to integration of q into integration factor into dx. Okay, plus c. Now substitute, this implies y into integration factor is sin x is equal to integration of q value is 2x plus x square into cot x into integration factor is sin x, okay, into dx plus c. Now simplify this one, you will get y into sin x is equal to integration of, multiply sin x here, you will get 2x into integration of 2x into sin x into dx, okay, plus x square into cot x into sin x into dx, okay, plus see here I'll use integration symbol both side. Okay, now see, you have cot x into sin x, it's equal to what is cot x, cos x divided by sin x into sin x. So sin x get cancelled, so you will get only cos x. So here second sum, right, y into sin x is equal to integration of 2x into sin x into dx plus integration of x square into cot x into sin x is cos x into dx plus c. Okay, now see, for the first sum apply uv rule, take u is equal to sin x and v is equal to 2x. Then what is u dash? U dash is equal to cos x and integration of v is equal to integration of 2x. It's equal to what you will get 2x square divided by 2. So its value is equal to x square only. What's the formula? Integration of uv is equal to u into integration of v minus integration of u dash into integration of v into dx. Okay, apply the formula, y into sin x is equal to, for the first sum only apply uv rule, you will get u value is equal to sin x into integration of v, we have, right, integration of v is equal to x square minus integration of u dash value cos x into integration of v is x square into dx. Okay, plus the remaining term, what's the remaining term here? Integration of x square into cos x into dx plus c. We are applying u rule to the first sum only, second term remains same, right? So in the next step, see here, minus integration of cos x x square into dx here plus integration of cos x into dx get cancelled. So remaining sum is y into sin x is equal to sin x into x square, or you can write it as x square into sin x, okay, plus c only remaining, because this sum and this sum get cancelled, so plus c is remaining. Take it as equation 1. Now see, we have the equation y into sin x is equal to x square into sin x plus c. Okay, take it as equation 1. Given data is x is not equal to 0, y equal to 0 when x is equal to pi by 2. You need to find the particular solution in this case. Substitute y equal to 0 and x equal to pi by 2. Here you will get 0 into sine pi by 2 is equal to x square, that is pi by 2 whole square into sine pi by 2. Okay, plus c is remaining. 0 into any number is equal to 0 equal to pi by 2 whole square is pi square divided by 4 sine pi by 2 into 1, because sine 90 value equal to 1, remaining term is plus c. Okay, here pi square by 4 is there, shift that to LHS, you will get c is equal to minus pi square divided by 4. Okay, substituting in equation 1. Okay, what you will get, y into sin x is equal to x square into sin x plus c value is equal to c here minus pi square divided by 4. Okay, in the next step, see, shift the sin x to RHS, y is equal to x square into sin x divided by sin x minus pi square by 4 divided by sin x. This implies y is equal to sin x get cancels. Here you will get x square minus, we can write it as pi square divided by, you can take 4 to the denominator, 4 into sin x. So this is the particular solution for the given differential equation with the condition y equal to 0 when x equal to pi by 2. Here you need to write where sin x is not equal to 0, because if sin x equal to 0, denominator 0, then that value is not defined.